Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send Google Play Store money to another account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our Play Store, and then from here we need to make sure to sign into the correct account that's got the money you'd like to send to another account. So in this instance, I'm in the right account here, so I want to click onto my account. From here, we need to scroll down and click onto Help and Feedback. And now from here, scroll down and it will say under Need More Help, click on the Contact Us button. And then it will say, tell us what we can help with. So just put down, I need to send money to another account. So what I've said, I need to send money from this account to another. And then from here, we'll go down and click onto Next. And then choose the best description of this issue. So transfer account content, about play balance. So just choose on the one that best suits this issue. So none of them really match, so click on Other, then scroll down, and then which specific area do you need support for? You'll need to select one here. So it will say play balance and gift card, so click onto that and then click next step. And then it will say here, transfer play balance from your child's account. We don't need to worry about that. So there's nothing about sending money from one account to the next. So what we need to do is click on next step, and then it'll say contact options, preferred language. You can choose that if you like, and you can contact them via a live chat, less than 1 minute wait, or email. So yeah, choose which one and just let them know that you'd like to transfer your funds from your Play account to another.